So hello friends, today we are going to learn about the mini project on fire alarm system based on Internet of Things by using the many components like Arduino Uno board and other sensors. And now we are going to start our video and learn how to make the project. So the basic introduction of the project is that it is a simple circuit that detects the fire and activates the siren when fire is detected. The primary function of the fire alarm system is to provide the warning to the peoples that fire is to be sensed by the sensor. These are the basic components that are required for our project is first Arduino board, second is flame sensor, third is breadboard, fourth is LED, fifth is the buzzer, sixth is a resistor, seventh is a connecting wire and eighth is a 9 volt of battery. So this is our Arduino Uno board. On the left side it contains the analog pins from A0 to A5 and contains 3 volt, 5 volt and ground, and on the right side it contains digital pins from D0 to D13 pin, and on the top it contains two ports. First is for USB and second is for power supply, and also contain a reset button on the top of Arduino board as seen in this picture. So this is the second component, that is flame sensor. Flame sensor are basically of the two types. First is having the 3 pins and second having the 4 pin. In this project we are having the 3 pins flame sensor having D0 pin, ground and VCC. The main function of flame sensor is to detect the fire and give output to the Arduino Uno board. Another important component is connecting wires, which are used to connect the Arduino Uno with other components. Another important component is LED bulb, which is a semiconductor device which are generally lighten up when sensor can sense the fire. This is the small passive buzzer of 5 volt which give a sound when fire is to be detected. This is the battery which are generally used to give power to the Arduino Uno board. So these are the components with its price. The complete project is complete under 800 to 900 rupees. So this is the basic block diagram of the project. First is flame sensor taking input from the environment and give it the output to the Arduino Uno board, and Arduino Uno board is giving output to the LED and buzzer, and power is given by the battery to the Arduino. The basic flow chart of the project is it is start the process and collect information from the flame sensor. If flame is to be detected, it on LED and buzzer, otherwise it stop. This is the basic circuit diagram of the project which you have to understood when we are mounting our components with each other. So now we are mounting our components with the Arduino. So this is our Arduino Uno board, this is our flame sensor, this is the buzzer and this is the LED. That are the main components as we see previously. So the flame sensor is consisting of the 3 pins. First is ground, second is VCC and third is D0 pin. So we are connecting the VCC pin with the 5 volt of the 5 volt of the Arduino. Now we are connecting the ground pin with the ground of Arduino, and the D0 pin with the A0 pin of the Arduino board, A2 pin of the Arduino board. This is our buzzer. The buzzer is consisting of the 2 pins. First is positive and second is negative. The largest side of the pin is the positive side and the smallest side of pin is the negative side. This is our LED bulb. The LED bulb is also consisting of the 2 sides. First is positive and second is negative. The largest side is a positive side and the smallest side is a negative side. Now we are connecting our buzzer and LED with this Arduino. So the negative pin is always connected with the ground. So the negative pin of Arduino board is connected with the ground of Arduino. So it is connected, and the positive side of the buzzer is connected with the 11th pin of digital side of Arduino board. As similarly, the positive and negative terminals of LED is also connected with the Arduino. The negative side is connected with the ground of Arduino board and the positive side is connected with the 13th pin of Arduino board. The negative side is connected with the ground and the positive side is connected with the 13th pin of digital side of Arduino board. This is our 9-volt battery. For giving the power to the Arduino, we use this battery and use this connector for giving the power to the Arduino and connect to this port for giving the power. So after giving the power, the light of Arduino and the sensor is start, means our connection is established between these components. After uploading the program through the USB cable from the laptop or the computer from the Arduino software, we are now going to test our system, that our system is properly working or not. So as the fire is, when the fire is flame, the Arduino, the sensor can sense the fire, and the light and buzzer is going to be on, and when it is removed, the light is off. These are the program of the fire alarm system which are being uploaded on the Arduino Uno board by Arduino software. So this is all about the project fire alarm system. If you have any doubt and any question, you can ask me on the comment section.